Alright, so let's open this thing up and see what we got. I still don't like that sound, man. It's freaking me out. Oh, 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 bees! Oh, bees! Oh, need help. I'm gonna call. I'll call Zora. How do you call Zora? What's that? Out of the night, blah blah, it's Zora. No, that's not how you do it. It's more like that, Mike Jones. 281-330-8004. Oh, voicemail? Seriously? Come on. Let's go back to our Boy Scout stuff. What do we do? Let's get in the water. Welcome to the Quadcopter Review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns. Thanks, NewBeeDrone.
Hola, hello. I am Pepe the King Prawn again.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice. Okay, guys, what we got here is our major NewBeeDrone haul that we've got. It just came in. It's actually too much stuff to all get in shot, so I'm giving you a little pullback here on it, but let's get the camera set down and take a look at everything we got. Okay, guys, so what we had in our box was I bought two NewBeeDrone Bind and Flies in FR Sky during the Labor Day holiday. Now, if you don't pay attention, you should. You should join NewBeeDrone's Facebook channel and get on their mailing list so you can see when they're putting out discounts. But they had fabulous discounts on Bind and Flies and the DIY AcroBee kits. So I went ahead and bought two for my huge upcoming Black Friday giveaway. I'm going to be giving away so much stuff before Christmas so that people know they've won or not before Christmas and can go buy things if they didn't win. But what I'm going to do is give away these two Bind and Flies, and when Goose heard what I was doing, he threw in a whole bunch of stuff into the kit to help go along with this giveaway. So now we're going to have these two Bind and Flies, and we're going to have two what I'm calling Taste the Nectar kits. So just little kits to just give you that little taste so you want to come back for more.
Wow, you're right, I feel great! Whoa! Any chance I could get some of that cold medicine to go?
Sure thing. No need, pal. First time's free.
Whoa!
So now that I've got your juices flowing, it's super important for you to know this video is not the giveaway video. This is a haul video. This is just a teaser of some of the things I've got coming in the massive giveaway for Black Friday. But it's not everything. This is just what we've got from NewBeeDrone alone and how awesome they are to help contribute to what I'll be doing during the holiday season. And now there will be all kinds of other brands and goodies coming too. I'll have some other whoops, and we're going to have some other things you need like radios and so on, but this particular haul is about NewBeeDrone and what these guys do for the community. These guys are very supportive to people that support the community, and they're always there to lend a hand with things like what I'm doing here for the community. So we've got all these goodies, and I'm going to look at all these goodies individually. So make sure you check out the link below so you can buy these things individually once I've gone through what they are and what advantages there are to these particular products to maybe some others that you have. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at what the Bind and Fly kits are going to have in them and what these Taste the Nectar kits I'm putting together are going to have in them if you should win during that contest. So first of all, each Bind and Fly is FR Sky. If you need something else, we can figure that out and I can have it drop shipped. But I bought a blue one and I bought a white one, and it's going to come with a Bind and Fly quad. It's 100% ready. Just bind it up and go. I'm going to give you 3 HV batteries, and I'm also going to throw in a second frame that I'm buying for it, in clear if you get the blue, and in blue if you get the clear. And I'm also going to buy a second canopy for you, also in clear if you got the blue, or blue if you got the clear. Along with that, I'm going to go ahead and buy a pack of spare props for you, and I'm going to buy the candy props that they sell as long as they're in stock. If not, they'll be KINGKONGs, but you'll have some extra props to go along with this as well. Along with that, each one of these is going to have the AcroBee travel case that fits your AcroBee, your batteries, and all your goodies, so you can take it anywhere. And once again, that's going to be 2 of those kits as your grand prize, if you will. Now then we're going to have 2 of these Taste the Nectar kits, and they're going to come with the strap for your radio, and this is actually one of the best straps on the market. It has a great clip, and it actually has a clip in the middle, so you can leave it half strapped to your radio and keep the other part around your neck without, you know, having to unclip and fight that clip every time, which can sometimes be a pain in the neck. And as I mentioned, this is a really good one. Now, I had a second one that was going to be for me, which I really wanted, but I'm going to throw it in to equal out these packs so they're the same. You're also going to get Lipo battery straps by them, one large, one small, and this has the silicone on it, so it fits really super tight to your battery. And these are like ultra premium straps, and like I said, if you need straps, even go to the site, buy some straps. I can't tell you how awesome these straps are. They really hold down a battery. Next, each one of these kits is going to come with a Cockroach frame. I'm going to, they're going to be clear. These are just examples I've laid out. I have to buy those, and you're each going to get a clear Cockroach frame, which is an insanely flexible, hard to break frame. Awesome frame, so you can, if you don't have a Cockroach frame, you can transfer that up to a Cockroach frame. You're also going to get a NitroNectar HV battery to give a try to. That way you can test out their batteries, see if you like them. They have awesome batteries. I'm going to be reviewing that battery and adding it to our 1S shootout, so we'll update that video soon, and you'll see how this battery compares to the rest of the batteries we've already tested, and I think it's going to test really, really well. If you remember, that was one that AKK did so well in. Look for that link right here. So next up, you're going to get these candy props. I'm going to test these props out, and there's going to be a review video on these props. And I bought props like this before. They're just a little bit harder material, and I didn't care for them, but they weren't candy props. They were another brand, really cheap, and I think really cheap, if that makes sense to you. So I'm going to get another pack of these to replace the pack I'm stealing, so I can do a review on those props. The ones I had got before were really loud and made hellacious noise. These don't sound as super hardened plastic as the ones I got, so I'm pretty hopeful that we're going to see a difference in these candy props. And we're going to have a set of those in each one of these packs as well. Next up is going to be the sticker pack. So it's a sticker pack from NewBeeDrone that has all their logos and stuff, and you can has it in small sizes, so you can put it up on your goggles, you can put it on your boxes, you can put all kinds of places. People love stickers, and they have an awesome sticker pack that is actually, you know, valid to their product versus just some silly thing. You're also going to get a landing pad slash mouse pad. I really don't know. It doesn't say. I've never asked. Been too embarrassed to ask. It makes an outstanding landing pad for your desk there at work. Fits perfectly, and I just noticed that it works as a really cool mouse pad too. Up to you how you want to use it, but awesome little pad. So that's going to be in every Taste of Nectar kit as well. As I mentioned, look forward to several review videos on these parts individually, because some of them I'm going to pull out and do special reviews on. But for now, unless I add some more things that could get bigger, this is what a Taste of Nectar kit's going to look like. And like I said, first one's free, wink wink, and we'll be doing 2 of these guys. So right now, that's not it. There's so much more. I have so much more to give. Quads, radios, goggles, there's things coming from everywhere. Now, if anybody else wants to get involved in this and wants to help sponsor some of this Christmas, feel free to jump in and send me some stuff. Now, being greedy, one thing came that I might keep. I think that's okay, right? The prawn can have something out of all the money, right? So this is a battery strap for your goggles that I find super interesting, and it's kind of insane to review a strap, but I'm going to review this thing too. And here's why. This strap has some goo on it. I think they got some nectar all over this sucker. But it appears to me to be some sweet anti-slip stuff. And I personally have problems with my strap rolling off my round-ass head. So I'm going to be checking that thing out on my Fat Sharks and let y'all know in a short review, maybe in the tech tip zone, how good that is. So here's our package, guys, and once again, click the links below. I know I've said that a million times, but check out NewBeeDrone. Look what they've done for us here. So far, this is our sponsor for the holiday. The rest is Pepe Prawns as your sponsor. So yeah, let's check them out, guys. Look at their stuff. They sell way more than Whoop products. They sell full-size things. They're in with ethics. You can get so much here from these guys, and it's super important that you support the companies that support this community, because they don't have to. They're in a business to make money, not to give stuff away. And to do this is, to me, just something above and beyond what any company needs to do. So once again, this is the haul. Stay tuned, subscribe now, click that bell so that you know when I announce the big Black Friday deal, because I'm going to have to put together all the things I'm doing, and hopefully there's going to be more along the line, so it'll just grow. So as always, guys, thanks again and happy flying.
Loving you as easy comes beautiful. We got a little package here on the old deck. Hey, oh hey, Mr. Johnson. Hey, fucking jerk off. Hey, good to see you there, dickhead. Watch that dog shit my yard again. That'd be great. Hey, just getting my package there. Thanks a lot. Yeah, fucking douche. Alright, let's get this package here. Hey, we got some good stuff here from NewBeeDrone, huh? That's cool. Let's see what. What's this sound?
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.